Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Now, Krishna is there. We have got Krishna's picture, Krishna's photo, Krishna's temple, so many Krishnas. They are not fictitious, they are not imagination, as the Mayavadi philosopher thinks, that you can imagine in your life. No, God cannot be imagined. That is another foolishness. How can you imagine God? Then God becomes subject matter of your imagination. There is no substance. That is not God. What you imagine, that is not God. God is present before you, Krishna. He comes here on this planet. Tadatmanam sijamaham sambhavami juge juge. So those who have seen God, you take information from them. Tadvidhi panipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadakshanti tad jnanam jnanina tattadarshina. Tattadarshi. Unless you have seen, how you can give information of the truth to others. So, God is seen. Not only seen in the history. In the history when Krishna was present on this planet, the history of Battle of Kurukshetra, where this Bhagavad-gita was spoken, that is a historical fact. So you can see through history also Bhagavan Sri Krishna and through Shastra also. Shastra chakkhusyat. Just like at the present moment, Krishna is not physically present. But we understand through Shastra what is Krishna. So Shastra chakkhusyat. Shastra, either you take direct perception or through the Shastra. Through the Shastra, the perception is better than direct perception. Therefore our knowledge, those who are following the Vedic principle, their knowledge is derived from the Vedas. They do not manufacture any knowledge. If one thing is understood by the evidence of the Vedas, that is fact. So Krishna is understood through the Vedas. Vedaishta sarvai ahameva vedam. That is stated in the Veda. You cannot imagine of Krishna. If some rascal says that I am imagining, that is rascal. You have to see Krishna through the Vedas. Vedaishta sarvai ahameva vedam. That is the purpose of studying Vedas. Therefore it is called Vedanta. Krishna's knowledge is Vedanta. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.